The Husqvarna Vector electric scooter has been unveiled. Husqvarna has taken the wraps of its Vector electric scooter concept based on the E01 concept unveiled in 2020. The Vector will be based on the Bajaj Chetak electric scooter and is likely to be powered by the same electric motor as well. The Husqvarna Vector will be built at Bajaj's factory near Pune. Husqvarna is known for its pedigree off-road motorcycles. The brand has a long history of off-road racing and makes some brilliant off-road motorcycles. Husqvarna also makes motorcycles for the road. The brand's road-going motorcycles are known for their handling prowess and power delivery. In recent times, though, Husqvarna has been showing keen interest in electric vehicles. In 2020, Husqvarna revealed the E01 electric scooter concept. It was a concept with a funky design, lots of curves, and carried a retro-futuristic look. Husqvarna revealed the E-Pelon concept, which is eventually expected to become Husqvarna's first electric motorcycle. A couple of days ago, reports revealed that the Swedish motorcycle manufacturer will delay its electric scooter launch by a year. However, Husqvarna has now revealed its electric scooter. It is called the Vector. It does look close to being production ready. The design and styling of the Husqvarna Vector is very similar to the E01 concept from 2020. It gets lot of curves and flowing panels. Up front in the signature Husqvarna circular LED headlamp surrounded by large glossy panels. It does seem to have a sporty yet upright riding posture. The mudguards cover almost half of the wheels and tires. The Husqvarna E-Pelon concept revealed in April featured swappable batteries. However, with the Vector electric scooter, there is no mention of swappable batteries. This is due to the fact the Husqvarna Vector will be based on the underpinnings of the Bajaj Chetak. The Bajaj Chetak electric scooter is powered by a 48V 6.3 mAh battery pack that sends power to a 4080V BLDC motor. It is this battery and motor combination that is also expected to power the Husqvarna Vector electric scooter. Several other components will also be shared between the two electric scooters. It is expected to be launched in 2022. In the Indian market, the Husqvarna Vector will compete with Ather 450X, TVS iQube and Bajaj Chetak. Honda Cars India have announced a new set of discount offers in May 2021. The company is offering discount on its select lineup of vehicles currently sold in the market. This includes the Jazz, Amaze and WRV models. Maximum benefits of up to Rs 27,000 are being offered depending on the model and variant. The offers are valid on purchases made between May 1 to May 31, 2021. The Honda Jazz is placed in the premium hatchback segment in the Indian market. The Jazz is being offered with maximum benefits of up to Rs 21,908 this month. This includes a cash bonus of up to Rs 10,000 or accessories of up to Rs 11,908. The hatchback is also offered an exchange bonus of Rs 10,000. The Honda Jazz Premium Hatchback is offered as a petrol-only model in the market. The Jazz retails between Rs 7.55 lakh and Rs 9.79 lakh for the top spec ZX CVT variant. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. The Honda Amaze is the brand's entry-level model in India. The Amaze compact sedan is being offered with maximum benefits of up to Rs 27,298. All variants of the compact sedan except SMT Petrol are offered with an exchange bonus of Rs 15,000. While the Amaze SMT Petrol trim is offered with a cash bonus of up to Rs 10,000 or accessories of up to Rs 12,298. The hatchback is also offered with an exchange bonus of Rs 15,000. The WRV is being offered with maximum benefits of up to Rs 22,158 this month. This includes a cash discount of Rs 10,000 and an exchange bonus of Rs 10,000. Alternatively, WRV customers can choose to opt for accessories worth Rs 12,158 instead of a cash bonus. The Honda WRV is among the few compact SUVs sold in the country that are currently offered with petrol and diesel engine options. The Honda WRV currently retails between Rs 8.62 lakh and Rs 11.05 lakh for the top spec VX variant. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom. The company is also offering a couple of additional offers for existing customers. These offers are in addition to the above mentioned offers and are valid on purchases of all models present in the brand's lineup. The offer includes a Rs 5,000 loyalty cash discount and a Rs 9,000 exchange bonus. Harley-Davidson has announced a new set of offers and discounts in the Indian market. The old school motorcycle manufacturer is offering discounts on select models available in its lineup. This includes the Fatboy 107, Fatboy 114, Lowrider and the Lowrider S. Except for the Fatboy 114, all other motorcycles from the brand have been discontinued in the Indian market. However, the brand still has a few 2020 models motorcycles left unsold in the country. Tusker Harley Davidson dealership is looking to clear off the stocks by providing attractive discounts on these motorcycles. Starting with the Harley Davidson Lowrider, the cruiser motorcycle is now offered with a price tag of Rs 11.25 lakh. With the Lowrider is offered a discount of Rs 2.94 lakh and now cost Rs 11.75 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. Moving to the Fat Boy motorcycles, the lower spec 107 variant has received a discount of Rs 3.76 lakh. On the other hand, the top spec Fat Boy 114 receives a discount of Rs 1.01 lakh. After the discount, the Fat Boy 107 and 114 cost Rs 14.49 lakh and Rs 19.09 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Delhi. All motorcycles eligible for the discounts belong to the brand Cruiser lineup of models, starting with the Harley Davidson Fat Boy 107. The motorcycle is powered by the brand's Milwaukee 8 107 engine. The 1.745cc V-twin air-cooled unit produces 144 Nm of peak torque at 3000 rpm. On the other hand, the Fat Boy 114 is powered by the larger Milwaukee 8 114 engine. The 1868cc V-twin air-cooled unit churns out 156 Nm of torque. Both motorcycles feature the brand's electronic sequential port fuel injection system. Moving to the lowrider models, the lowrider borrows the same 1745cc V-twin air-cooled unit engine from the Fat Boy 107, while the lowrider S is powered by the same 1868cc V-twin air-cooled engine like the ones seen on the Fat Boy 114. Harley Davidson is offering discounts on some of the most powerful cruiser motorcycles available in the Indian market. Aprilia has launched the SXR 125 Maxi scooter in the Indian market. The Aprilia SXR 125 carries a price tag of Rs 1.15 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Ahead of its launch, the company was already accepting pre-bookings for the new Maxi scooter for a token amount of Rs 5,000. The scooter is offered in 4 color options: glossy red, matte blue, glossy white and matte black. Deliveries of the scooter are expected to start soon across the country. The SXR 125 is now the entry point to the brand's Maxi scooter lineup. The SXR 125 borrows most of its design and features from its elder sibling, the SXR 160. As a result, the difference between both the scooter models is Rs 11,000. The SXR 160 retails at Rs 1.25 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The Aprilia SXR 125 is powered by the same engine as the SR 125 scooter in the brand's lineup. The 125cc single-cylinder fuel-injected engine produces a maximum power of 9.3 bhp at 7,600 rpm and a peak torque of 9.2 Nm at 6,250 rpm. As mentioned below, the SXR 125 borrows its design cues from the bigger SXR 160. The new scooter continues to feature the brand's signature setup of a triple headlamp design with integrated LED DRLs. Other features include a massive front apron, large tinted visor, LED tail lights, alloy wheels, a muscular-looking exhaust, a fully digital instrument cluster, wide seats for the rider and the pillion, glove box on either side of the front apron with a USB charger on one side, large under-seat storage with illumination, Bluetooth mobile connectivity option and more. The Aprilia SXR 125 provides a more affordable entry point into the brand's new segment of maxi scooters available in India. The only other competitor for the Aprilia SXR 125 in this segment is the Suzuki Bergman Street 125 in the Indian market. The Italian scooter is Rs 26,000 more expensive than its Japanese rival in the country.